Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanka kukuya paneno channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chukua garo ka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video nasi Zimbabwe. Takuigirai nyaya ya kanetsa nyaya divorce ya Simba na Bona Mugabe. Funga teze tinozia kuti Bona na Simba Chikore vakawanikwa vachi rambana 9 years after varorana muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga tungoona nemafambiro ari kuita Bona mazuva ano kuti Bona ari kufamba ari ega, even kuma weddings ari kufamba naamai vake. Tunga takamuona pawedding ya Vice President Constantino Chiwenga akawanikwa ana mai vake, murume wake anga asipo, pamwechete painauguration ya President Emerson Mnangagwa ngari ega iye na mai vake. Nzvimbo dzinofanira dzinoexpectwa kuti mukadzi akarurwa anofanira kunge ane murume wake. Pane marumors mamwe akabuda zvichinzi Bona Mugabe ane new boyfriend mushure mekunge vakaattenda Miss Universe pageant yakaitwa kuHippodrome Conference Center. Jura kuti vaviri ava vakazodivorca muri Zimbabwe. So during the time yaifambira mapapers edivorce panyaya yakanetsa nyaya yemaproperties avo avakaacquire during nguva yangu vakarorana muri Zimbabwe. Simba Chikore akabuda achiti he wanted all my properties avakaacquire to be shared equally muri Zimbabwe. Vaviri ava vari kunzi vanga vane mafarms anokwana kuita 21 poita 25 residential stands pamwechete necash pamwechete nemacompanies nemaimmovable properties anga ari worth millions of dollars muri Zimbabwe. At the same time, during that time Bona itaura iye achiti she preferred kuti maproperties issue maproperties yaifanira kuhandlwa zviri separate from divorce proceedings kuavoid delays in granting the divorce decrees muri Zimbabwe. Simba Chikore akabuda achiclaima achiti aida kupiwa equal shares mumaproperties yavakaacquire before and during the marriage. Mastands ana maproperties anosanganisira 1 stand 287 Helensville of 3,400 hectares valued at 314,730 United States dollars. Stand number 288 Helensville of 1,400 hectares valued at 305,000 US dollars. Stand number 268 Helensville of 1,300 hectares valued at 248,000 US. Stand 306 Carrie Craig of 1,800 hectares valued at 386,500. Stand 307 Carrie Craig of 2,500 hectares valued at 539,000. Stand 308 Carrie Craig of 1,300 hectares valued at 294,000. Stand 304 Carrie Craig of 1,600 hectares valued at 359,400 United States dollars. Stand 312 Carrie Craig of 2,300 hectares valued at 499,500 US dollars. Stand 313 Carrie Craig of 2,600 hectares valued at 571,000. Stand 347 Carrie Craig of 1,300 hectares valued at 294,000. Stand 348 Carrie Craig of 712 square meters valued at 152,000 US dollars. Stand 349 Carrie Craig of 1,400 hectares valued at 308,700 United States dollars. Stand 99 Carrie Craig valued at 180,000. Stand 69 Helensville valued at 4,300,000. Stand 40 Helensville of 8,600 hectares valued at 1,800,000 United States dollars. The remainder of Helensville of 73,000 hectares valued at 40 million United States dollars. Stand 460 Carrie Craig called Teddy land of 54 hectares, valued at 11,758,000. Stand 27 of Corn Avenue, valued at 550,000. Stand in Newton Park, valued at 330,000. Lot 5 Helensville of 2,400 hectares, valued at 514,000 United States dollars. The mansion 657 Dubai, having an estimated of AED 30 million. Roma stands ainetsandrana Bona NaSimba Chikore. Zvakare parikunze pane mafarms avainetsandrana afana kushiyana. Hanzi there is a Rosem farm iyo yakura 104,000 hectares. Then poita Smithfield farm iyo yakakura 328,000 hectares. Then poita the Gushungo estate remainder of foil yakakura 1,200 hectares. Then poita the Iron Mask farm yakakura 207,000 hectares. Then poita Cressidale farm yakura 945,000 hectares. Then poita Cressidale lot 2 yakura 184,000 hectares. Then poita Tangantara farm yakura 659,000 hectares. Then poita John Ogots yakura 6,695 hectares. Then poita lot 1 in Swandale yakura 155,000 hectares. Poita lot 2 of Swandale farm yakura 10,100 hectares. Then poita Clifford farm yakura 1,426 hectares. Poita Musumusi Banket farm yakura 3,100 hectares. Then poita Tavidale Casplen farm yakura 310,000 hectares. Then poita Buckland Estate yakura 280 hectares. Poita Yarodale farm yakura 2,516 hectares. Then poita Lemon Pool yakura 10,200 hectares. Poita Lone B of Greater B yakura 40,000 hectares. Poita Benisa Farming Company yakura 12,000 hectares. Then poita Cetic farm yakura 63,000 hectares. Chikore akabuda zvakare zvitaura ivo achiti pane mota dzaaka inherita through madonations muri Zimbabwe, iyo zvaisanganisira a Rolls Royce car iyo yanga iri valued at 2 million. Then pano zvakare pane mamwe mastands avanga vanavo vari vaviri, anosanganisira stand 152 Luna Road iri valued at 8.5 million. Para stand number 153 Luna Road iri valued at 5.1 million. And para stand number 182 Chishawasha valued at 50,000 USD. Para stand number 183 iri kuchishawasha zvakare inga iri valued at 87,000 muri Zimbabwe. Kare pakunzi pane mari yakabviswa naBona Mugabe from the Munewazvo Sigaro farm. Hanzi mari ikwanisa kuita 670,000 United States dollars iyo yakanzi yavakabvisa kumba kwavo muri Zimbabwe. Zvakare parikunzi pana another 129,000 Chikore aitaura kuti akapa Bona Mugabe from a farm sales yavaifanira kuzoshare vese. Zvakare pane mota dzaifanira kuzoshare kusanganisira Range Rover Autobiography iyo iri valued at 140,000. 3 NP 300 are valued at 10,000 each. Then put a Nissan Elgrand yanga iri valued at 7,000. Then put a Dodge Nitro valued at 7,000. Put a Land Cruiser valued at 27,000. Then put a Range Rover Sport accident valued at 30,000 United States dollars. And put another Land Cruiser valued at 25,000. Put a Mercedes S500 valued at 12,000. And put another Mercedes S430 valued at 8,000. Then put a Bentley 101 a non-runner valued at 15,000. Put a Mercedes-Benz GL320 non-runner iri valued at 7,000. Poita Yema motorbikes are valued at 6,500. Poita Mercedes Benz GL550 ingari valued at 13,000. Zimbabwe tingaziva kuti munengana sei zvakare the farming but there's also farming equipment yakalistwa nemachinery ingari worth millions of United States dollars mune Zimbabwe. This list remaproperties akashayiwa naBona naSimba rakashoka vanhu vazhinji. How can one acquire all these mune Zimbabwe? Tingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudze zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.